In today's video, we will delve into a comprehensive comparison between two popular video recording tools, the smartphone video rig PICTRON 200 and the L7C Pro Gimbal Stabilizer. Both products are priced at $79 and cater to content creators looking for enhanced video quality. We'll explore their unique features, usability, and overall performance to determine which one stands out for your filming needs. The PICTRON 200 offers versatile lighting options with its built-in LED ring light, making it ideal for makeup tutorials and vlogging in various lighting conditions. On the other hand, the L7C Pro Gimbal Stabilizer boasts advanced stabilization technology, ensuring smooth video capture even during dynamic movements. This feature is particularly beneficial for action shots and outdoor filming. The smartphone video rig is designed for user-friendly setup, allowing quick adjustments for various filming angles. It's perfect for beginners who want to enhance their video quality without complex configurations. Conversely, the L7C Pro Gimbal Stabilizer features intuitive controls and face/object tracking capabilities, making it easy for users to capture professional-looking footage with minimal effort. In terms of performance, the PICTRON 200 provides stable lighting that enhances the overall quality of the video, especially in low-light conditions. Meanwhile, the L7C Pro Gimbal Stabilizer excels in delivering smooth video capture, effectively eliminating shaky footage and ensuring a professional look. This makes it a preferred choice for serious videographers. In conclusion, both the smartphone video rig PICTRON 200 and the L7C Pro Gimbal Stabilizer offer unique advantages for content creators. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether you prioritize lighting versatility or stabilization performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.